Have you been told you need to stop doing what you love, whether it's exercise, running, or a sport? Well, here at Dynamic, we don't like that answer. In this podcast, we'll talk to leaders in the health and wellness space from Southwest Florida to get the solutions you need to get you back to doing what you love. Welcome to the Dynamic Naples Podcast. What's going on, Naples? Today I want to talk about something that's pertinent because it is the season now in Florida. Everyone's coming down here. So I wanted to do an episode on arthritis and the weather. It's something we hear a lot. You know, the cold weather just makes my joints ache, and maybe you've been told that that's not a thing and it's in your head. Well, I'm here to tell you that I think it is a thing, and I have a theory behind it. I haven't really researched this. This is just sort of a theory, kind of a fun one. And it's not because I'm a physical therapist that I think this is the case. It's from my experience scuba diving. So here it goes. So when you scuba dive, something you have to learn right off the get-go is that pressure and volume vary inversely. It's a physics principle. So what that means is when you go underwater and you dive deep, you're breathing in oxygen and nitrogen. The tanks are actually mostly nitrogen. The air compresses the deeper you go. So the deeper the pressure, or the greater the pressure, the more the air inside the tank compresses, and you breathe that in, and so you're taking in like larger doses or density of nitrogen. And as you come up, the inverse happens. So the pressure eases and the air expands in the tank, but also within your body. So that's why if you've heard of the bends, that's what that is. That's if you go up too fast, and you don't let the nitrogen escape your body fast enough, it can get caught and cause an embolism, a heart attack, and you get bubbles in your skin. It's pretty deadly, actually. So keep that in mind. So now inside your joints, you've got air bubbles as well. I think you see where I'm going already. You've got fluids in there. And you get capsules around your joints. So the air can theoretically expand and contract depending on pressure. So if you think about atmospheric pressure, during a nice warm day, you've got a high pressure system. During a cold, rainy day, you've got a low pressure system. That's just a fact of weather. So when you're up north and it's cold outside, it's a lower pressure system, and that allows those gas bubbles to expand inside the joint, causing a lot of pressure. And if you know the body, there's not much room for extra. And the body's a very sort of tight machine. So as soon as you put a little increase in pressure, it can cause a lot of pain. In fact, I had a tooth infection once, and it basically swelled up to a point it looked like I had a golf ball on my cheek, and it put so much pressure on my facial nerve that half of my face went numb. So I do think it's a real thing. So next time someone tells you, oh, it's just in your head, you can tell them, well, pressure, volume vary inversely, and it's really nice weather out here, so the high atmospheric pressure is compressing the air bubbles in my knee, and that's why it feels better. So there you have it. As a short one today, just kind of a fun one. I will talk to you guys next week. Do you have unexplained pain? Or do you wonder just how healthy you are? When was the last time you had your blood tested? Blood chemistry analysis is a great way to stay ahead of any health conditions, and now you can have control of your health with Let's Get Checked. Let's Get Checked is an incredible company that sends blood tests to your home. You can choose from over 30 different tests, whether that's liver function, testosterone, micronutrient, cholesterol, or C-reactive protein, which is a marker for inflammation. It's sent to you with free shipping, and you get results in 2 to 5 days, no physician referral needed. Use the code DPT20 for 20% off. Go to letsgetchecked.com and use the code DPT20. Did you know that you can get started with physical therapy without a physician's referral? Physical therapists don't just solve pain, we get down to the root cause and keep it from coming back. We also discuss all things health, such as nutrition and lifestyle changes. If you feel that you could use some help, let's get on a free consult call. Go to www.dynamicnaples.com and sign up for a free call. Also, if you like this podcast, please give us a rating wherever you listen to podcasts. It helps us spread the message. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next week.